Welcome back, Kinger's Garage. Kinger here. Today we're talking about buttons. I'm trying to get multiple functions out of each button. Specifically my cruise control buttons. These are momentary switches I bought off Amazon for $9. We're not talking about the LED ring. Please see the other video in my MaxxECU playlist that talks about that. We're talking about how does this momentary latch set the cruise, resume the cruise, accelerate, and decelerate your speed. I'm going to do all those four functions with those two buttons. So first things first, let's go into our outputs. Again, I like to reiterate, I want to work backwards. I want to take the wire from what I'm trying to control and work into the ECU and then out of the ECU. So coming backwards into the ECU, I need a wire that tells the ECU I want to set my cruise. And that's simply set up in digital input number 6. You select from the menu and boom, it's set. All the internal work is done for you, nothing more for you to do. When it sees an active on that input, it's going to set the cruise. Plain simple. Love that about Max. Same with resume. When it sees an active on that button, it's going to go back to what it was. Okay, super simple. That's how you just get, that's it to control the two buttons. Now, when you add the functionality or how to add the functionality of using that same button for multiple functions, then we can get into this internal outputs. And this is a very cool section of Max. I'm glad to give you 24 of them because I'll probably have them filled before I'm done. But here I've named a new one called Cruise Accelerate. And what I've done is I've got two conditions here. And what I've said is that I need A and B in order for this to work. Otherwise, don't do this, okay? And what is this? It's Cruise Control Accelerate. Again, picking from your menu of options here. No more logic to put in here. Just tell this window go up. And so what this means is when I'm cruise control state equal to 0, or excuse me, 1, that means it's active. This will switch from inactive to active. And it would say when it's there, and all of a sudden I push that same button and it's equal to 1, and these two are and together, they happen at the same time. Now accelerate. And boom, that's it. Same for decel, cruise control state equal to 1. My other input for the resume button equal to 1. I need them both in order to do this. When they're both active, boom, decelerate and lower my speed. And again, the accelerate, decelerate, set, and resume, that's all programmed in Max through the E-throttle cruise control functionality built right into the unit. So hope this helps everybody. Just trying to do quick videos on functionality of Max. It would probably save me hours of reading through the help and different things trying to understand it by myself. So that's how you control these two little buttons. I have them flashing for multiple different reasons and for latching for different reasons. If this helps, please share. Let's make Max more well known. This is an amazing ECU, and I just am completely excited about using it. Take care. Thanks.